Okay, we're working on more targeted adjustments using the camera raw utility. These are JPEGs, but we're going to open them in camera raw. So I go to my bridge. I'm going to select this picture, right click. If I double click, it'll open with Photoshop or whatever application I have it associated with. But I'm going to right click and choose open in camera raw. Now it's funny, my camera raw utility looks a little bit differently. I wonder why. All right, so let's get to it. What I want to do here is I want to use my radial filter. So I'm going to click on that radial filter. And what I want to do is I want to create like a little bit of a bounce light over the child's face. So I'm going to click in the center and drag outwards and create a radial like so. So first thing I want to do is come down here and look at the feather on the edge of that, and then look at the outside and the inside. And then I can choose to see the mask. So you'll see what part of the image is masked. I've got it emanating from the inside out. And I'm going to increase that feather a bit more. And now what I want to do is I'm going to turn the mask off so I can see my effect. And I'm just going to add just a little bit more exposure, a little bit more saturation to the image. And I can just adjust just tiny portions of my image by using these targeted adjustments. So I'm increasing the highlights, the shadows, the whites, and the blacks inside of that area. So it just looks like I'm just hit it with a bit of light. Now, if I want to, I could add another radial filter. I'll come over, click Create New Adjustment, and I'll drag one over the lady, and I'm applying the same edits to her that I applied to the child. And those are very selective edits. So you can see the mask for that. I can see the overlay for that. If I click the overlay, that's the pins. If I click on the pin, I activate that particular overlay. And then I can also see the mask that shows you the part of the image that's masked. And I can apply multiple adjustments. In this case, what I did was I went in and I used a radial filter to just hit the subject with a little bit of extra light.